Welcome to day 2 of our Baking Fun release intro.
Everything you see today will be available on Monday, March 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
Yesterday, we shared new additions to our popular postage collage collection.
And today is all about celebrating birthdays with cake.
Let's take a closer look at each product, starting with the Cake Focal Die-n-stencil.
Just like our flower and butterfly focals, the cake focal is sized to take the center stage on your card.
The large die cuts out the full cake design in one single piece. It's super easy to work with.
Cut it from white cardstock and use the stencils to add color to the strawberries, candles, and frosting.
You can also use texture tools over the stencils to give a more realistic finish.
The Make-A-Wish sentiment die is included to help complete the look.
If you want to switch things up, trim off the white edge and layer over a colored doily background.
Try using glitter paper or turn it into a round-shaped card. This die is packed with fun possibilities.
The fun plaid pattern you've seen in the design team samples comes from the new Picnic Plaid Die-n-stencil.
Just like many of our background Die-n-stencil sets, the Picnic Plaid Die adds a textured base with detailed cut lines, while the matching stencil brings in the bold pattern.
The stencil has 2 layers to help you add those graphic color blocks to your project.
Use it on its own for a quick background or layer it over the pierced die cut for added texture.
Try soft pastels for spring or go bold with bright colors for a more modern vibe.
And have fun using small die cuts to personalize the pattern even more.
If you're looking for a quick background with a bold texture, give the Gingham Die a try.
Add a classic touch to your cards with the Gingham Die.
This panel features a grid of squares with stitching details, giving your projects a cozy, handmade feel.
Use it as a background or layer it with colorful papers for a playful pop.
As shown in the last design team sample, we've got the Cake Focal in a smaller scale as a layering die.
It's our table add-on cake die.
This die lets you build a layered cake full of personality.
Use the numbered dies to cut and assemble the base. Then, customize your message with the pipe letter stamp set.
Add finishing touches with strawberries, candles, and more.
The small party-themed die cuts are great for building a full table setting when used with the table runner die.
Perfect for birthdays or any celebration that calls for cake. This is a fun set to enjoy all year long. Speaking of year-round fun, we've also got a brand new all-occasion sentiment set in this release.
The mixed sentiment stamp set includes 9 versatile greetings in a bold and script combo style.
From birthdays and get well wishes to thank yous and love notes, these stamps cover a wide range of occasions.
The mix of upright and stacked formats make them great for fitting into different design layouts.
Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of today's birthday-ready favorites.
We started with the Cake Focal Die-n-stencil, a bold centerpiece that makes it easy to build a colorful, celebratory cake with layered details and built-in sentiments.
Next, we shared the Picnic Plaid Die and stencil, a fun way to add graphic pattern and texture, perfect as a background or layered over the pierced die cut for extra interest.
We also took a look at the Gingham Die, a classic stitch grid that adds cozy texture and works beautifully on its own or layered with colorful cardstock.
Then we introduced the table add-on cake die, a smaller, layered cake design that pairs perfectly with the table runner system for building full party scenes.
And to finish things off, we shared the Mixed Sentiment stamp set and matching die, a versatile collection of greetings that works for birthdays and many other occasions.
All these pieces mix and match easily, making it simple to create cheerful, cake-filled cards for birthdays and celebrations all year long.
For a chance to win today's giveaway, like this video and let us know in the comments which product from this intro you would choose if you win today's $50 gift certificate. All details are in the video description below.
Check out our Instagram account for more chances to win.
All new products will be available on March 5th at 10 a.m. Arizona time.
Tomorrow is all about mittens, perfect for adding warmth to your baking-themed cards. See you then!